What's going on, everybody? My name is Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley, and in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to replace the floor register in your house. So here's a floor register that I want to swap out for something a little fancier, and per the instructions, step 1, determine the correct size of the register by measuring the opening. Step 2, open the register package, discard the cardboard and wrapping paper. Step 3, set the register into the opening. Step 4, locate the damper adjustment and make sure that it's facing the right way. That's it. So this is a new register that I'm going to be installing. I actually have one already open right here, so this is super simple. Just going to remove the old one. This is the opening that you would have to measure. This is 4 inches by 10 inches. And the new register drops right in place. We can open it and adjust it right here. And we're going to do it one more time. I have another floor register. Slide our new one out. So that's it, a super quick, easy way to change the floor register and also change the style if you want to do that as well. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.